It's another scorcher of a day. 33 degrees is today. If you're watching in one of the Fahrenheit-y countries, that's like 91 Fahrenheit. Which is hot for me. It's hot to be working in anyway. So I'm laying all the pipes and stuff for the irrigation system today. There's a lot. There's a lot of fixings. So, slowly work my way through that. Hopefully I'll manage to keep everything alive this summer, which would be a bonus. I've decided it's time for a hat. I'm not normally a hat person, but the only hat available is this one. To be fair, it's a really good hat which someone sent. I'm just not sure if I can pull it off. You be the judge. What do you reckon? So I just brought the dogs out to cool off a little bit. They've had a run in the water. And really I want to test my camera as it's getting dark now, so it's about 9:45 at night. And vlog 15 is just getting started. And also, I mentioned to some of you, well, actually I mentioned to all of you, but probably only some of you were listening, that I'm going to do a little short film, another short film, and I want to do Back to the Future, and I want to shoot it in low light, just this kind of like just getting dusky, so I want to test if that's going to work as well. As you can see, all the fans have joined to watch it. So while we're out here, I thought I'd do a quick 90-second Q&A from what I said last vlog about people leaving comments. I'll go through them. Olivia Young. Yeah, sorry by the way if I get your names wrong. Probably will. Olivia Young. Question. How did you guys meet? We met at school pretty much first time, and then when we started like dating, we worked together as well. So that's as romantic as I can tell it. B33BU55, great name by the way. How did you become a jack of all trades? Just made it up as I went along. Actually, what I enjoy is creating. That's what I enjoy, and I think that covers like a load of things. So I can create videos, I can create in renovation you create rooms out of nothing. With cooking you can create dishes, so I think it's all kind of, I'm good and interested in the same thing, which is creating something. Oh, a lot of comments about how bad my hair is. I don't know, what's that? What is the hardest thing about moving to France? I guess just being away from like family, friends, takeaways, English language. Peter Paul 175. These are really random names here. How is your French? Is it getting better, or do you only hang out with Brits? French is pretty good, not like fluent, but you know, I can hold a good conversation. I can understand most things that are said. We don't just hang out with Brits, but obviously I work for British people, so I guess, you know, that's our main sort of mix. But yeah, we hang out with the neighbours a lot. They're French, they don't speak English, so both. Melody Becker, Danny, you going for the Boris Johnson look? Yes. Got some serious heavy breathing going on behind me. Ron Phelps, how do you find time to do everything you are doing? Just do it. KJ Whitty, what is the square footage of your cottage? I think downstairs floor plan when finished will be something like 130 square meters, somewhere around that. Downstairs floor plan. Haven't got upstairs. Karen Tozzer, how are the fruit bushes doing that I bought last year? They are actually doing good. They're all still in pots because we've just been making a mess of the garden and there's nowhere to put them yet. I'm going to try work on that. Dan, how did you get the job working at Lalonde? I just messaged them and said, hey, do you need a gardener? Do you want me? And they went, yeah, right, why not? And that's basically it. Deb Shaw said, I feel like Dan Caesars when he's talking to the camera. I wonder what we look like. Well, I don't know what you look like, but it's really true actually, especially over these daily vlogs. You know, weirdly at the moment, I'm just sat staring into a lens. But I feel because I've edited so many vlogs now and I watch them back and I see your comments, I feel like we are directly talking. Is that weird? Are you my friend? Someone wrote, do the children go to a special English speaking school? No, they just go to normal French school. Dead young. Well, Thomas doesn't go yet. Jack goes, he's dead young, so he'll just pick it up. He's doing really well. So someone said, how long do you expect your renovation to last? Have you any plans? Well, it's like an ongoing thing, but I'm hoping that with this, excuse me? I'm hoping that with the speed everything's going at the moment, the major work, so like adding extensions, windows, stuff like that, I'm hoping all that will be done this year. Moving into next year, we can start looking at decorating and stuff like that. We'll see. Me and the cows have had enough of question time. Anyway, that's got to have been like 60 to 90 seconds, right? Surely. So, I can highly recommend any of you husbands out there need to peer pressure your wife into anything, use YouTube as a platform, because it worked for me. Thank you all for your comments. I'm getting this haircut.
Should we go for a Peaky Blinders look?
Yeah.
Can we actually do that?
What?
Peaky Blinders look.
What is it? Sam Lacey's getting some crazy ideas now about doing Peaky Blinder haircuts and stuff. Look, I'm a walking advertisement for your hair.
Exactly.
So don't mess it up. Situation.
I knew you wouldn't.
It's like a Dumb and Dumber haircut.
And this is what you get when you peer pressure me to cut your hair at past 11 at night when I've had a bath and I didn't want to do it. Silly ideas.
Oh. So I don't feel like we got what was discussed. I don't feel like this is a true representation of the photo.
To be fair, we blended
Well,
it
about
in.
5 minutes ago, before I got you to blend it in, I had like a Mario and Luigi look going on.
You look
Dumb
like
and
a
Dumber
mushroom.
haircut. But no, it looks good.
Oh my god.
Okay. I'm sure I can make it work. This way.
You're gonna have to, because I'm not cutting it all off.
Hat, I think.